Getting rid of the Murano. Junking it. Fuck it. Move on with life. Junk this motherfucker. Let's move on with life. Let's get this shit to the junkyard. Fuck it. Sick as a motherfucking dog. It's your boy BishopLo on the go. Sick as shit today. Like, share, subscribe. Let's get this motherfucking Murano on this trailer and get to the junkyard. See these hickory nuts? That's why I got rid of that fucking tree. Because of them damn nuts. That's a nasty mound that left, I'll tell you that shit. Alright, y'all. Like, share, subscribe. It's your boy BishopLo on the go. Until the next one, I'm going. Church.